How to remove a logo from an image in Figma. First, open your web browser and access your Figma account. Once in Figma, open a new file where you'll be working on your image. Now, locate the folder on your computer where the image you want to edit is stored. Drag and drop your selected image directly into the Figma file. You should now see your image displayed within the Figma workspace. Next, find the rectangular icon at the bottom of the Figma interface and click on it. Drag your mouse across the workspace to create a rectangle shape. This rectangle will act as a cover for the logo you wish to remove. Before placing the rectangle over the logo, let's adjust its color to match the background. Click on the rectangle, then move to the menu on the right side and find the Fill section. Click on the color triangle and you'll see a custom color option pop up. At the bottom, there's a pen icon. Click it. Hover your mouse over the background area of your image and click to pick up the color. Now, the rectangle should match the background color of your image perfectly. Drag the rectangle over the logo. Adjust it as needed to ensure the logo is fully covered. Now, we want to group these two layers together for a clean export. Highlight both the image and the rectangle, right-click, and select Group Selection from the menu. To download the edited image, navigate to the right side and find the Export section. Click on the plus icon to begin. You can preview your export by clicking Preview to make sure the logo is no longer visible. When you're ready, click Export Group 1 to download your image without the logo. And there you have it! The logo has been successfully removed.